Laura Vitale. Thanks to Edible for sponsoring this video. You guys know I love giving food away as gifts. I love giving anything away as a gift that's really personal, that feels really special. And that's one of the reasons why I really love Edible. Anything you send to a friend and family from Edible is going to feel special. It's going to feel like they're unwrapping magic. And I feel like if 2020 has taught us anything, it's that we really need to cherish our closest friends and family. We really need to celebrate those teeny tiny moments in a really beautiful way. So whether it's a friend or family near or far, if you send them, an arrangement from them, I feel like it's going to feel really special. A few of our favorites right now for the holiday season is the Holly Jolly Village, which first of all, the name just alone is amazing. But I just feel like this is so perfect for a family. Like my brother-in-law, my sister-in-law, my niece and nephews, they will be getting this because I feel like it's got something there for everyone, and it's things that I know that they really love. And then from my Aunt Marie, it's all about the fruit dipped in chocolate because it's our thing. We love it, and it's really special and sweet. But you can also curate your own box, right? So cookies, brownies, little mini cheesecakes, there's something there for everyone. It doesn't have to just be around the holiday season. All year long, whether it's a birthday, an anniversary, a job promotion. If you really want to share some sweetness with someone, send them something that really feels special and that really makes an impact. I love giving things away that I know they're going to love. And that's what I like about this, is that I can pick and choose what I want for who I want, and it's great every time. I love that their fresh fruit is truly fresh. Their chocolate is made out of 100% chocolate. Free next day delivery, which by the way, if you're like me and you forget, you can order last minute and you've got free next day shipping, and I love that. So that's really exciting. I will leave a link down below to edible.com where you can place an order, where you can check out all their fantastic holiday goodies that they've got going on. And they have inspired me to make a goodie of my own. And we are gonna make some delicious salted peanut chocolate clusters. They're fantastic and they're so easy to make. I cannot wait to share them with you. So let me gather my ingredients and let's get this thing going. All right, so what you'll need for this particular recipe is a lot of chocolate. You're gonna need some candied, this is white candied melts. You'll need some peanut butter chips. You will need some milk chocolate chips and some semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then you also need some dry roasted salted peanuts, really, really, really important. And then what I have here are some pretzel sticks that I just bashed up until they were pretty small little pieces that we are going to finish this off with at the end. You guys know me, I like balance, and I think sweet and salty is the ultimate combo. You're gonna love, love, love this recipe. Not really a recipe, but sort of. It's a fabulous little treat. So I'm gonna make this in my crock pot. You can also just do this over a double boiler, but in a crock pot, it works really, really well. So all you do is you take your peanuts, you put them at the bottom of the pot, and then you're gonna put all the chocolate on top. All the chocolate on top. And then you're not gonna add the pretzels until this is all melted and ooey gooey and delicious. So this is gonna take probably about an hour and 15 minutes. Every slow cooker is different, so you're gonna have to keep an eye out, but you're gonna make sure that you cook this on low, because if you cook this on high, it will burn. So on low, about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, giving it a stir every about 20 minutes or so. And listen, I also wanted to mention this. Say you've got a friend or family member that's just really not into sweets very much. I personally don't know of a whole lot of those in my family. But you can also order a beautiful bouquet of flowers from Edible. And the great thing about that is, you know, the flowers are cut fresh. By the time they get them to by the time you get them, it's just a few days. So they are beautiful and fresh. And that's something that feels really personal too. My best friend Bree, she is a flower fanatic. So for her birthday, she's most likely gonna get a bundle. That way I can look like a rock star. Do you know what I mean? And I also love that not all of the bouquet of flowers look the same. They use what's in season. They use what's really looking beautiful at that moment. Same as food. You use what's around, what's in season, and what's really blooming at the time. And it always just makes such a beautiful impact. Anyway, back to the goods, back to food. This is gonna go on for a bit until it's all melty and gooey, and then I will show you the next step. That looks magnificent and it smells insane. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add my pretzels. Again, another element of salty because there's a lot of sweetness going on. But you could really add a lot of different things to this. You could add different nuts. You can keep the peanut butter chips out and just substitute with more semi-sweet chocolate chips if you don't love the combo of chocolate and peanut butter. I personally love it, and so I go ahead and add that in because it really just takes it to the next level in my humble opinion. Then you'll just need some baking sheets lined with parchment paper just to make cleanup really nice and easy. And all you do, oopsie daisy, that's okay, put it right there. You just make mounds as big or as little as you want. I'll make them just a tiny, tiny bit bigger of your clusters. These are so good. You cannot even imagine. They smell insanely good. It's just a good combo of flavors, you know what I mean? And then while they're wet, I like to go ahead and sprinkle them with some festive sprinkles just to look nice and festive. And then this just needs to set and harden as they cool, and then when they're done, we are going to give them a try. My clusters have set. They are the perfect little treat to make, especially if you're looking to do something that's really, really simple and you don't want to put a lot of thought into it. These are great just because, like I said, it's just throwing a bunch of chocolate and peanuts in a crock pot and you're pretty much good to go. These have set and they are creamy. They're not dry and chalky at all. Salty and sweet. Put them in like a little baggie, a sweet little bow, and gift them to anyone around you because I'm telling you, they are perfection. The recipe will be on laurainthekitchen.com. Once again, thanks to Edible for sponsoring this video. Hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and I will see you next time.